A political storm is brewing in Zimbabwe as the ZANU-PF publicly dismisses plans for a referendum while allegedly laying the groundwork behind the scenes. Sarapida mashoko buda panguva ino wanyazobuda pachena tichiona kuti aiwa ZANU-PF yauya ikamisa ikati a referendum is not even our last option. Hatifi takaenda just because they know kuti if vanhu vachiresista the ruling party paballot what more pareferendum, obviously people will reject it. Sarapida mashoko buda nyika wachinzi shocking referendum rules, ZANU-PF quietly prepares for shock constitutional vote. Tokuti bwa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina ma developments ari kuonekwa kunzi panguva ino crafting the constitution panguva ino iri kuitwa ku background. Ndizina ani kana anoziva anozonge kuzokukudzai mu cabinet. Panapa bold truth inombere chete. Political analyst Dr. Philen Zamchia warns that recent moves suggested the ruling party is retesting the ground for a national vote on constitutional amendment number 3. The controversial bill could describe direct presidential elections, extend term from 5 to 7 years, and expand executive powers. Though insiders once feared a humiliating defeat, shifting conditions, weak opposition, rising repression, and fragmented resistance have reopened a narrow path. Reports from Zimbabwe lawyers for human rights point to increasing crackdowns, while opposition figures like Tendai Biti face restrictions. With the mobilization quietly underway across provinces, critics warn the referendum may be denied today, but it could be unleashed tomorrow, with the outcome already shaped. Ndo mashoko anobuda nyika panguva ino pamusoro penhau yereferendum iri kudhimandiwa nemwana wese nyika yeZimbabwe wachiti aiwa zviri kuitwa nezvakanaka izvi asati akambozviona. Nakomesa medu dzafungura enyu motodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.